My dear precious, valuable viewers, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to explain Jollyphonic Group 3, the letter and the sound of Jollyphonic Group 3. The letter name is F and the sound is fish. Dear kids, what you can see in that picture? Yes, it's a picture of beach. You see here? The kids are enjoying on the seashore. You see here some kids are busy to construct sand home and some are boating, some are fishing. You see here's a beautiful big red and yellow fish and flies, lot of flies on fruits. And you see here's a green flag. Okay, dear kids, it's a time for enjoyment. And when you're free, you must go to enjoy on the beach and play with sand. It is healthy activity. Okay, let's start story. What's the story behind this picture? The day was hot. It's a sunny day. The family was making a plan to go on the beach with fruits. You see here fruits and the tools. There are different tools to construct. There are different tools to construct, to build sand home and fishing also. Wow, a huge fish. Zahra was building sand house having flags and the green flags. Asad was busy in fishing. Some kids are swimming and some are boating. They're enjoying a lot. Fruits were surrounded with flies. There are different black flies which are surrounded on fruits. We must take care Allah's blessing like fruits. We must cover them and save from flies and germs. Okay, dear kids, what's the next? It's a time for song. What's the song behind this sound? My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Again, my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Okay, dear kids, it's a time for word building. What's a new word when we use sound and the Jollyphone group 1 and 2 letters also? It, fit, og, folk, are, air, fire, fur, un, fun, at, fat. Yes, what's the next? Yes, it's a time for action. What's the action behind this sound? You pretend you have a stuffed toy, you have a balloon which on in between your hands, you float down and you open the mouth of the balloon and the sound create. Okay, it's enough for today. We'll meet on tomorrow with next sound, next letter. Take care.